Is your garage space simply not enough for your growing needs? It's time to consider a garage addition. Today, we're going to explore 10 amazing garage addition ideas that can help you increase your storage space and your home's value. Let's begin. First on our list is the detached metal garage, a sturdy and spacious option for those looking for functionality and ease. If you're looking for both affordability and made in the USA quality, check out the custom metal garages at Allen's Factory Outlet. We offer a variety of sizes and our products are fully customizable to suit your specific needs. Metal garages are not only durable and long-lasting, they are also highly cost-effective and customizable. However, do keep in mind that you'll need to prepare your site for installation and make sure your specific terrain is suitable first. If you opt for a metal garage, consider adding insulation for enhanced thermal control and comfort. Idea number 2. Attached garage extension. An attached garage extension is a convenient addition, seamlessly blending in with your existing structure. This type of addition is a perfect choice if you want easy access to your home and more storage space. An attached garage extension can also increase a property's value, but be prepared for significant construction and make sure to check for any potential zoning or permit issues in your area. A professional architect can help design an extension that complements your existing home architecture. Idea number 3. Garage with upper loft. A garage with an upper loft maximizes your space vertically, providing extra storage or living space. It is ideal if you want additional living or storage space that doesn't occupy more ground area. Nevertheless, when opting for this design, you should consider the added costs, permit requirements, and space that the staircase would occupy. If you choose this solution, include storage in the loft to enhance its functionality and organization. Next, for a unique and eco-friendly garage addition idea, consider green or living roof garages. It's an ideal choice for those focused on sustainability and environmental friendliness. The style of this addition is great, and it definitely improves insulation. But be prepared for regular maintenance as well as a higher initial investment. Also, first make sure your structure can support the additional weight. Our recommendation if you choose this option: select local or native plants for lower maintenance and added environmental benefits. Idea number 5. Tandem Garage. A tandem garage is an elongated two-car garage, perfect for narrow lots. It is an optimal choice for properties with limited width but extra depth. A tandem garage maximizes narrow spaces, gives you storage space, and is a cost-effective solution. But keep in mind, it has limited accessibility and may not be suitable for larger vehicles. If you do choose a tandem garage, consider using the extra length to create a workshop area or even a mini-man cave. Speaking of workshop areas, consider opting for a new garage addition that includes a workshop. This is an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts or those who need extra space for hobbies and projects. This option provides a dedicated space for your projects and adds value to your property. However, keep in mind that you'll need a larger space for it. Also, be prepared to pay additional costs for equipment and installations. And remember, adding solutions like wall storage or ceiling storage will keep your workshop organized and maximize your usable space. Idea number 7. RV Garage. If you own an RV or plan on getting one soon, creating a specialized RV garage addition for it can be a practical and protective investment. It's the perfect solution for RV owners who need a secure and covered space for their vehicle, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing their home away from home is safe. An RV garage provides the ideal space for your RV, and it may include the benefit of additional storage. However, before you decide to get one, make sure to consider the significant space you'll need to fit it on your property, and be prepared for higher construction costs. Here's another tip. Include a maintenance area within your RV garage to make it easier to keep your RV in top condition. Idea number 8. Underground Garage. An underground garage is an innovative and space-saving solution that you can choose if you have limited ground space. Indeed, this type of garage addition is perfect for those who want to conserve space and maintain their property's appeal. With an underground garage, you can maximize your property's above-ground space while also enhancing security. But this option comes with complex and costly construction as well as the need to install proper drainage and ventilation system. It also presents zoning and permit challenges you'll want to look into before making your decision. If you do go for an underground garage, make sure to consult a structural engineer to address all aspects of safety and construction effectively. Idea number 9, garage with apartment. Adding an apartment over your garage is an easy way to add space without having to create a true garage addition. It's a fantastic choice for those looking for an additional living space that they can rent for an extra source of income. While it's a lucrative idea, the construction costs are significant. You'll need to adhere to strict building codes, and you might see an increase in your property taxes. If you opt for a garage with an apartment, hire an experienced, licensed contractor. They will help ensure your garage apartment meets all building codes and standards, saving you potential problems and costs down the road. Idea number 10, converted garaging. Convert your garage into a functional living space, office, or gym. It's perfect for those who prefer additional functional space over vehicle storage. A converted garage is a cost-effective way to increase your living space and create versatile uses for it. But remember, you'll lose your vehicle storage area and may also face potential permit and zoning issues. To make sure you still have a vehicle storage option, choose to make reversible changes only. That way, you can easily convert your space back to a garage when needed. Alright, now that you're brimming with brilliant garage addition ideas that can help you expand your space and increase your home's value, why not consider getting a new metal garage from Allen's Factory Outlet? Our affordable metal garages are proudly made in the USA, and more than 75,000 customers love the protection, convenience, and peace of mind they provide. Plus, they're fully customizable. Our custom metal garages are available in 21 states and come with completely free delivery and installation, saving you thousands of dollars. Explore your options now at allensfactoryoutlet.com and learn more about our amazing garage solutions. There's a link in the description below. We'll see you there.